Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all, my dear friends? And today I would like to share you some health tips. You know, the liver is the one of the most important part in our body. So those who are having alcohol, they don't know how much it affects to their body. But nowadays it's became a part of our life. Everyone having alcohol. But there is some remedies and some research happen in America. I saw that video last night in YouTube. From that only I take this message and I am going to share with you. If you have the alcohol practice with you, take a spinach and put 2 glass of water, boil in the vessel and make it mash it well. But without filter, you have to drink that spinach weekly 3 times, morning time. If you do that one, you will not affected because of alcohol. It will give you a good remedy to your liver also. So those who are having this habit, try to save your liver better. That is the thing I'm saying. Please try to do this method using spinach. It is most helpful for you. And but when you are in alcohol, don't use this one. When you today, for example, you take the alcohol, don't drink the spinach. That one. Today, if you drink means tomorrow early morning, you can use this one, and it will give you a good result, and it save your liver better. Have a good day. Thank you so much.